Alright, let's talk about Google Gemini. Is it really worth your money, or are you just fueling Silicon Valley's next big scam? Let's break it down, fast. So, Google offers three main Gemini plans as of April 2026. First, there's the AI Plus plan at $7.99 a month. It's perfect if you're a moderate user. Think extra usage limits and priority access to cool new features. Then there's AI Pro, bundled with the Google One AI Premium plan for $19.99 monthly. You get 2 terabytes of storage, and Gemini pops up right inside your Gmail, Docs, and Sheets. Finally, there's AI Ultra. At $249.99 a month, it's seriously high-end, built for professionals and developers who need max AI power and a whopping 30 terabytes of cloud space. But here's where things get tricky. Some users have raised legit concerns, especially around billing. For example, if you jump on a free trial, there's a risk your existing yearly Google One plan could get switched to a monthly AI Premium plan, sometimes without a clear warning. That can mean losing prepaid time or suddenly paying more than you planned. And usage? Even the priciest tiers have limits. Imagine hitting your 100-message daily cap in a single coffee-fueled brainstorming session, then being locked out until tomorrow. That can sting if you're a power user. Plus, let's not forget those notorious hallucinations. Trustpilot is full of stories about Gemini just making stuff up and sounding super confident about it. And here's my warning. Scammers are out there. Watch for fake Gemini sites offering bogus crypto or support numbers. If it doesn't come from Google's official site, steer clear. So, legit or scam? Google's plans are real, but you need to read the fine print. If you're clear on your needs and stay alert for billing quirks and scams, Gemini can be a game changer. But don't just click subscribe without checking the details.